Just simply come out of this website, grab your script, come over here, grab your voiceover, and then simply follow me along in this method to start making hundreds of dollars in passive income without doing absolutely much work. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can earn $620 every single day from just reading books online. Guys, this is an absolutely new way to earn free PayPal money, and this method is completely beginner friendly. You don't need any previous skill or experience, and you can even start making money with this right now, right after finishing this video. So make sure to watch this video until the very end, because this video is going to be in a step-by-step manner, and every step is very important. So don't skip anything, and without wasting any more time, we are going to jump into step number 1.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to acx.com. Now guys, acx.com is gonna be the website that we're gonna be using for this particular method. Now, what is acx.com? ACX is basically a website that deals in audiobooks, and they have audiobooks recorded from like hundreds of different people. So basically, if you have a book and you want an audiobook, you come out of acx.com. They are an award-winning website, and they have worked with Audible, Amazon, and also iTunes. So guys, like, they are the real deal. So over here you can see that all the services they offer. So they have over 2,000 titles open for auditions, over 500,000 producers, and over 253,000 audiobooks on sale at Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. Guys, that is a very impressive sum. Now, what are you going to be doing on this website? Well, you are going to be recording voiceovers, but wait, you are not going to be recording them yourself. I'm going to show you a way, a very easy and simple and absolutely free way through which you can record voiceovers and sell them on this website for literally hundreds of dollars. I'm not even over exaggerating this, guys. Literally, you can earn hundreds of dollars in passive income if you were to actually understand how this method works. So make sure to watch this video complete till the very end, and if you are enjoying this video till now, guys, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and yeah, let's move on. So over here we can see how it works. So you simply get noticed, get together, get it done, and get paid. This sounds very simple, and it is, but honestly there are a couple more steps. So firstly, you choose the books you want to audition for. Like I said before, there are over 2,000 titles open on this website for you guys, and through ACX you can find an unlimited number of potential acting gigs, and the audiobooks you produce will be available on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. So you will be earning big bucks. Now, choose how you'd like to get paid for your narration work. You can either be paid in the form of an hourly rate. So basically, when you like complete the narration, that is it, your payment is over. Or you can get paid in the form of royalties from the sales owner. And I think that getting paid in royalties is the best thing, because that is like truly passive income for the rest of your life. Now, firstly, you create a simple profile, you upload samples, and then you tag an unlimited number of samples in your profile based on accents, genre, and style. And the more audio samples you include, the easier it is for authors to find you. Similarly, at the end, when you are done, you can either cash out in the form of PayPal money by an hourly rate, or basically share 50% of the royalties if you want to like do that for the rest of your life. Now guys, I think that this is absolutely wonderful, because no other website offers this option of getting paid in royalties. So once you audition using the tool that I give you, and like the author likes your voice, well then they're gonna make you an offer, and if you agree on that offer, guys, you have yourself a gig and you can start recording ASAP and start making money. So like, you will be working with other studio professionals as well, so not just yourself. There are also going to be pro people, because basically to create a professional audiobook you may want the guidance of other audio experts, and like if you need to hire one or more, they have independent contractor agreements as well, and you can upload each completed chapter of the audiobook to meet their audio submission requirements. Similarly, at the end you simply get paid, and then you come back for more if you want more money. So that is how this website works. So to create a profile, simply click on sign up on ACX, and then fill out this form that comes up after you click on that button. and then simply get moving. So guys, that is how basically this website works. And now we're gonna move on to the voice creation tool. Step number 2. So in step number 2, I want you to come onto this website called voicebooking.com. Now guys, make sure to spell this right, voice booking. Now when you come out of this website, over here you can see that this is simple and free testing of voice over text. So from over here, simply copy your script. So like for example, I'm gonna get some demo text from Google. So I'm gonna type in demo text over here. After that is simply like I copy this text and then come back over here and paste it in this box. Now once you have this pasted, choose the language that you want to like get this read in. I'm gonna choose English US. Choose the voice, like you can even choose the voice. After that, choose the speed and then choose the pitch as well. And once you have all of these things set up, now you can simply play this and hear it out for yourself.
What is lorem ipsum? Lorem ipsum is simply dummy text of the printing and typesetting industry. Lorem.
So guys, that sounds absolutely brilliant. Like honestly, this sounds exactly like a male voiceover, and like honestly, this sounds exactly what a client would need. Like you can't even guess that this is computer generated. Like for real, this is so realistic. Now once you have this text generated, you have a voiceover, you click on download, and then this is going to be downloaded onto your computer once you register or log in. So guys, that is how you can get yourself free voiceovers and make money by literally reading audiobooks from this website. Now guys, that is one way of getting the voiceover, but let's say you have a couple of dollars to spare, like you have $10 or $20. What you can do is that you can simply come onto this website called Fiverr.com. Now guys, once you come onto Fiverr.com, you will see an interface like this. Now guys, Fiverr is basically a freelance marketplace, meaning that you can get voiceovers from this website by like hiring different people. Click on over here and type in voiceover. And then once you type in voiceover, click on search, and then after that wait for a few seconds and then simply let this load. Now once this happens, after that you simply like scroll through, you find the perfect person, the person who fits your budget. Now we have people offering voiceovers for $10, $20, $25, $40, and like even $150 as well. But it all depends upon you how you want to go about this. Honestly, the cheaper the better, because that is gonna like make sure that you stay in your budget. So guys, that is how you can get yourself voiceovers, and then simply basically like grab these samples from these people, come over here, submit those samples. If they like them, hire that person, and then simply forward the audiobook from over here to like let him read it, and then simply receive passive income from the rest of your life and pay him his lump sum that you promised. So guys, that is how this method works, and that is how you can literally make a full-time income for yourself. And guys, one last thing is that make sure to watch out for different scams as well, because some of the applications, some of the websites that I talk about in this video are very curated. So like basically I go through everything myself and I make sure that everything is secure. But if you go out on your own on the internet, well, there might be some people who might try to scam, and I don't like that. So make sure to pay close attention to only the websites that I talk about and only the applications that I show you, not any other websites, because only then will you be able to fully achieve methods and be able to monetize your time properly without getting scammed anywhere. So guys, that is basically what I had to say for now. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out guys, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'm going to be catching you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.